cadence is absolutely crucial. I still go through, and my day looks a little bit different than the average agent, of course, because we're working on building an agency. But when you talk about it, I do a 5 text process, and then I have my system calls my leads 2 to 3 times a day, depending how quickly I'm getting through them. So it's filtered to do that. If you talk about trying to call somebody in the morning and you keep trying to call that person, think about it this way. If I try to call a lead 5 times, but I do it once a day and I do it at 10 a.m. Monday through Friday, and I can't get a hold of that person, logic tells me that either one, they're not interested, but that's probably not the first option I'd look at. But maybe I need to call them in the afternoon. Maybe they work. Maybe I need to call them on their lunch break, or maybe the evening time is better. So having a cadence to filter your leads, to call them not at the same time, meaning if I called them in the morning on the first shot, the system knows now to call it the second time in the afternoon, the third time in the evening. So you work that cadence to find different call gaps to try to maximize the opportunity to reach your clients. And it's just like in the field. What field agents do now, instead of over the phone, they'll try to knock a door in the morning, knock it in the afternoon, and knock it in the evening. That will increase your results to convert what you're trying to do with a lead. Then a systematic process is I do a 15 contact point. So just like to your point earlier, you call 1 to 3 times, you're probably going to miss out on a good chunk of people that you could be assisting and helping. So by having a system in place, then you're going to call your people in order. So that cadence is going to make sure I'm not calling the same person 3 times before I call the other person 1 time or 2 times. And it's going to make sure that you're consistently following up and keeping a consistent process, which again, consistency leads to results.